If your Beehiiv analytics are not loading correctly, showing an error, or the numbers seem stuck, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to fix Beehiiv analytics issues fast. We'll go from the easiest checks to the more reliable browser fixes, so you can get your dashboard working again without wasting time. If this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account and make sure you land on the default dashboard page where your analytics normally appear. If the page loads but the analytics section is missing or showing an error, the first thing to try is a refresh. Sometimes Beehiiv just needs the page to reload properly, especially if the connection was interrupted or the dashboard didn't finish loading the first time. If refreshing does not fix it, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause analytics data to fail to load, or it can stop certain parts of the dashboard from syncing correctly. Try opening another website to make sure your connection is stable. If needed, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or reconnect your network and try Beehiiv again. Next, verify that your newsletter has actually been sent. Beehiiv analytics depend on activity from sent campaigns, so if nothing has gone out yet, or if a recent send is still processing, the data may not appear right away. Make sure your latest newsletter was delivered successfully and give the system a little time if you just sent it recently. That brings us to another very important point. Wait a few hours for the data to update. Analytics platforms often take time to process engagement and delivery data, so if you're checking too soon, you may think something is broken when it is actually just delayed. If your send was recent, give it some time and then come back later to check again. Now look at the selected date range. Sometimes Beehiiv analytics look empty simply because you're viewing the wrong time period. For example, if you sent a newsletter today but your dashboard is set to last week, you may not see the numbers you expect. Double-check the date filter and make sure it matches the time frame you want to analyze. Also confirm that you are viewing the correct publication. If you manage more than one Beehiiv publication, it is easy to accidentally open the wrong one and think analytics are missing. Make sure the selected publication is the one tied to the newsletter you are checking. If the issue is still not fixed, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old browser data can sometimes conflict with Beehiiv and prevent the analytics dashboard from loading properly. After clearing the cache and cookies, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Beehiiv. A great next step is to open Beehiiv in an Incognito or private browsing window. This helps you test whether the problem is being caused by stored browser data, saved sessions, or extensions. If Beehiiv works in incognito mode, that usually tells you the issue is with your normal browser environment rather than Beehiiv itself. After that, disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with dashboard elements and analytics loading. Turn them off temporarily and refresh Beehiiv to see if the analytics appear correctly. If you still have trouble, try a different browser. For example, if you are using Chrome, test Beehiiv in Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This is one of the fastest ways to identify whether the issue is browser-specific. If analytics work in another browser, you know the original browser likely needs a reset or extension cleanup. Finally, log out of Beehiiv completely and then log back in. This can refresh your session and clear out temporary account or dashboard glitches. In many cases, a clean sign-in is enough to restore the analytics page and make the data load normally again. So to recap, if Beehiiv analytics are not working, start with a refresh, check your internet, confirm your newsletter was sent, wait for data to update, verify the date range and publication, then move on to cache clearing, incognito mode, browser extensions, a different browser, and finally logging out and back in. Follow these steps in order and you'll usually find the fix pretty quickly. If this video helped you solve the problem, please hit like and subscribe for more practical Beehiiv tips and creator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.